How to turn on autosave my story snaps on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. All what you have to do is just go to the top corner and click on your profile. Click on your profile like this. Now here, go to the top corner, click on the settings, scroll down until you find the memories option. Click on memories and click on auto save my story snaps. Now right here, click on auto save to memories, and now all your snaps will be saved automatically. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.